For many families, the kitchen is the heart of the home. From weekend get-togethers, holidays, parties, and Sunday night dinners with the extended family, your kitchen can see some of the heaviest foot traffic of your whole household. When selecting kitchen flooring, there are special considerations to keep in mind to ensure your floors can stand up to years of wear and tear and continue to shine. First and foremost is durability. From scratches from dog's nails to dents from dropping dishes, we all know accidents can happen. So when they do, you want to make sure your floor has a generous wear layer to protect from damage. Along with the bathroom and laundry, the kitchen is considered a wet room. Selecting a waterproof or water-resistant flooring is a smart step to ensuring that you can protect your subflooring in the event of a plumbing leak. Lastly, as with any home improvement project, flooring is an investment that you make into the value of your home and your own peace of mind. Final costs can vary based on materials selected and difficulty of installation, but even those on a shoestring budget have plenty of options when it comes to kitchen flooring. Tile is a great choice for heavy traffic areas. Water-resistant, fire-resistant, stain and chip-resistant, this heavy hitter is a mainstay for kitchen floors. Available in a myriad of materials such as porcelain, ceramic, glass, or natural stone, tile flooring is as versatile as it is beautiful. Today, gray-toned wood-look plank tile is a very popular choice, though tile is also available in solid color, stone, or marble look in a variety of size and shape formats. Many tile manufacturers have complete lines of tile with coordinating mosaics and trims for a polished, cohesive look. Your friends at The Good Guys recommend selecting a floor tile with texture for added safety and slip resistance. The recent industrial decor trend brought with it a renewed appreciation for stained concrete flooring. Perfectly suited for heavy traffic areas, concrete floors can be stained or texture stamped to look like marble, leather, stone, or wood planks. Like tile, concrete flooring is water-resistant, heat, dent, and chip-resistant, and offers one of the lower price points on our list. Traditional and timeless, wood flooring is a warm and classic flooring option for kitchens or the whole home. Better suited to medium traffic areas, hardwood flooring brings an element of nature indoors. While hardwood flooring is neither water-resistant nor waterproof, solid hardwood flooring is still a durable option as it can be refinished as needed to remove scratches and defects. The Good Guys professionally install red oak, hickory, maple, ash, and birchwood flooring, available in finishes that suit your home's character: smooth, wire brushed, and machine or hand scraped. If you like the look of wood, but your wallet is weary, vinyl and laminate plank flooring present wood look for less green. Glue-down vinyl plank flooring is great for heavy traffic areas or for spaces with rolling islands, but should not be installed on top of a high-moisture subfloor such as a below-grade concrete pad or basement-level kitchen. Because of their interlocking installation method, rigid core vinyl and laminate plank are available in both water-resistant and waterproof options, and are suitable for medium to heavy traffic and high humidity-prone areas. There you have it. The best kitchen flooring is going to be one that's durable, hard-working, and hard-surface materials. One that can take on the daily grind and wipe clean in no time. For more expert advice on flooring and renovating your home, visit our showroom at The Good Guys or browse online at goodguyflooring.com.